Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis or technical analysis over on NIO. Now the stock has been a lot less volatile recently, so again it hasn't really made a massive move since our last analysis, but people did want an update. So really again the levels haven't changed all that much since the last one, but we'll go over them once more. So 1375 key resistance, this is our 6-month first deviation. So definitely something I'm paying attention to, and also quite a pivotal level. I mean, you go back, you can see this move instantly failed on that, failed, again, support. So quite a pivotal level as well as being a deviation. So key to note, definitely a key level to be paying attention to. If we broke that, we're then paying attention to $15.25. Breaking through there would be $18. $19.75, and final level taking us out to around $22.50 and $24.25. So again, these are going to be the key resistances. Now, what are going to be key supports? And one thing definitely kind of key to be noting, if you are looking at trading it now, from how I personally trade stocks, it's not something I'm looking to be touching, because statistical mean is at $10.80. We have our other statistical mean at $9.36. So really within this range, from a mean reversion perspective and a trading perspective like standard deviation is, there is nowhere to really reverse to it at what is considered fair value. So to me, there is no trading opportunity within this area, and that's where we are currently trading. So nothing I'm looking at as of right now. Either I want to break up to the 1375 and look at it a bit more short bias, or we can break to the downside. 637, that's going to be my first support, and then that is what I can be looking at trading this on a long bias perspective. We also then have the next support at basically $5. That's more what I'd be paying attention to. Yes, it's off by 4 cents, but $5 is obviously going to be a key psychological level, so it'll probably be much stronger than the actual 496. And that's the thing as well, when you're trading deviations, if it's very close to a key psychological level, you know, just take the psychological level. That's usually going to be more of the stronger area. But, you know, if it's a, you know, on a stock like this, if it's, you know, a 15-20 cent difference, then you just stick to the deviation as well, because, you know, in that kind of thing, that kind of move adds up. It's not nothing. And we do have final support, so going over to $2.50. So these are the support and resistances we're paying attention to at NIO. Like I said, as of right now, to me, there is no trading opportunity where we are right now. Either I want to break down to around 650, or I want to break up to 1375, and then that's where I will personally be looking to start trading NIO. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.